Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation that you see right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the ignition switch is located. You have multiple fuses that you will need to check in multiple fuse boxes. We will explain where to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tubes, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important, guys, to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tubes, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now, guys, the ignition switch fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry right here, guys. You have two different fuse boxes. Today we will work in both of them. The first one is located on the driver's side. Open the driver door. Okay, once you do that, guys, you see that arrow? It's pointing above the pedals. Look upside down under the dash on the left side. You will see one white cover. Open it, and underneath it you'll find a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check just one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box, and we're talking about that fuse 24, 23, 22. That fuse number 22, 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check. Then open the hood. Under the hood on the right side you have a fuse box. Under that cover right here, guys, go ahead, open that cover and you will see that layout here. Now here, guys, we'll need to check multiple fuses. One of them is fuse number 17, that 15 amp fuse right here. You will need to always check fuse number 18, 19. I think it's a 25 amp fuse, the white ones are 25 usually. And then, guys, okay, you have two special fuses, this one here and this one there. Those are multi-block fuses that consist of many fuses built in one, guys. So that long one that you see right here, we need to look at that one. If you remove it and you check the side view, guys, of that fuse, it looks just like this one. Here you will need to check two fuses for the ignition. This is 1, 2, 3 from left to right. That fuse right here known as fuse number 7. And then you will need to check, so that's 8, that's empty, that's 9, fuse number 9. Okay, these fuses will need to be checked, guys. So the third and the sixth fuse from left to right. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.